To send Bitcoin from Neteller, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Neteller account and a Bitcoin wallet, as these are the primary tools required for this transaction. Begin by logging into your Neteller account and navigating to the cryptocurrency section. Here, you will find the option to withdraw or send Bitcoin. Select the Send Bitcoin option and enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. It is crucial to double-check the recipient's address, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Next, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter the amount in either Bitcoin or your local currency, depending on the options provided by Neteller. Be aware that there may be fees associated with the transaction, which will be deducted from the amount you are sending. After specifying the amount, review the transaction details carefully. This includes the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin being sent, and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Neteller may require you to authenticate the transaction through a security measure such as a verification code sent to your phone or email. Once you have completed the authentication, the transaction will be processed, and the Bitcoin will be sent to the recipient's wallet. It is essential to note that Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which ensures the integrity and transparency of the transaction. However, this also means that transactions are not instantaneous and may take some time to be confirmed by the network. In conclusion, sending Bitcoin from Neteller is a relatively straightforward process that requires attention to detail and an understanding of the underlying concepts. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently send Bitcoin to any recipient. Always ensure you are using a reputable and secure platform, and be cautious of any potential fees or security risks associated with the transaction.